Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Pause the video at this time and read independently Beauty and the Beast. You may resume this video once you're ready to receive the directions, questions, and answers read aloud to you. Number 1. In paragraph 4, the word countenance means A. Thoughts, B. Facial expressions, C. Anxiety, or D. Behavior. During this video, you may pause it at any time to replay any questions, directions, or answer choices that you may need. Number 2. Paragraph 1 is important to the story because it F provides the reasons why Kristlyn hates school. G highlights the ways Kristlyn is loved by her father. H discusses why vitiligo is so difficult. J reveals Kristlyn's inner conflict. Number 3. Look at the dictionary entry below. Circuit. Circuit is a noun. Your first answer choice. Your first definition. A boundary line or its length. 2. A path or trip around something. 3. A series of performances, sports events,
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
lectures, etc. that are held or done at many different places. 4. The complete path that an electric current travels along. Which definition matches the word circuit as it is used in paragraph 3? A. Definition 1. B. Definition 2. C. Definition 3. Or D. Definition 4. Again, you may pause the video at any time. If you need the questions, directions, or answer choices repeated, you may go back at this time. Which sentence best expresses the climax in the story? F. With confidence she replied, DJ 8-Ball. G. Her fingers moved effortlessly as she scratched back and forth across the turntables. H. I guess it's not so bad being different after all, she thought. J. She decided in that moment that she would be the one to control her identity, not the students at school and not the vitiligo. Number 5. The end of the story reveals that Kristlyn, A, has accepted that her uniqueness makes her special. B, will eventually become a professional DJ. C, found a way to bring awareness to her condition. D, will no longer be teased by her schoolmates. Read the selection independently and choose the best answer to each question. You may now read Seeing Things independently, pause the video. You may unpause the video once you're ready for the questions, directions, and answer choices to be read aloud to you. Number 6. Read the dictionary definition below. Vague. Vague is an adjective. Number 1. Not clear in meaning. 2. Expressing your opinions with deliberate obscurity. 3. Not completely formed. 4. Not showing a lack of determination. Which definition matches the meaning of vague in paragraph 5? F. Definition 1. G. Definition 2. H. Definition 3. Or J. Definition 4. Number 7. The end of the story reveals that Lance, A, is upset his parents never believed that he saw something flying in the house. B, wishes that he could have caught the bat himself. C, is worried that the bat was hurt when it was caught. D, is excited to see the story of the bat. Is excited to use the story of the bat for his school writing assignment. Number 8. Paragraph 7 contributes to the rise in action of the story by F, comparing Mrs. Taggart's experience to Lance's experience. G, Explaining why Mr. Taggart does not believe Mrs. Taggart. H. Describing Mrs. Taggart's experience with the unknown flying object. J. Telling about Lance's bedtime routine. Number 9. The word despised in paragraph 10 means A. Hated, B. Respected, C. Extinct, or D. Hidden. This is now the end of the video for your first quiz over plot. You may go back and replay this video if you need any questions, answers, or directions repeated.